feeling like someone's always looking over your shoulder online? Let's take back your privacy and stop Google from saving your search history. First, open your web browser and go to Google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. You'll see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon, and a menu will appear. Select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Data and Privacy. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your personal information and Google activity. Scroll down until you find History Settings. Underneath History Settings, find Web and App Activity and click on it. You'll see a toggle switch at the top of the page. If it's turned on, Google is currently saving your web and app activity, including your searches. To stop Google from saving your search history, simply toggle this switch off. A confirmation pop-up window will appear asking if you want to pause web and app activity. Click Pause. That's it. Your web and app activity is now paused, and Google will no longer save your search history. Moving forward, you can also manage or delete previously saved activity on this page. You now have more control over your online privacy. Subscribe for more easy to follow privacy tips and tricks.